Welcome to our lesson. Today you are going to start with your first textbook based lesson with the 6th unit, and the title of this unit is money. Okay, hai semua, hari ini kita akan mulakan pembelajaran berdasarkan buku teks kita. Tajuk bagi unit 6 ialah money, ataupun dalam bahasa Melayu dia duit. Okay, let's check out the content of this presentation. So, table of contents dalam bahasa Melayu dia isi kandungan. Number 1, you'll be introduced to the topic. Number 2, what is chore? Number 3, you are going to complete an advert. And number 4, you are going to do an activity entitled Express Yourself. Okay, so table of content ni ialah isi kandungan. Pertama, kamu akan diperkenalkan dengan topik ni. Number 2, kamu akan dikenalkan dengan perkataan chore, apa itu chore and whatsoever. Number 3, kamu akan lengkapkan satu iklan. And lastly, kamu akan buat satu aktiviti tajuk Express Yourself. Right, let's get right on to it. So, number 1 is the introduction. What is job? So, dekat sini ditanya apa itu pekerjaan. Kalau kita Google ataupun cari dalam kamus, pekerjaan, job is a paid position of regular employment. Maknanya satu posisi atau kedudukan yang kita ada and kita dibayar untuk benda tu. Kita dibayar untuk buat tu. Okay. And then a list of jobs that I know. What you are going to do in this lesson, in this part of the lesson, is that you are going to write this into your paper or book and list out all of the jobs that you know. Kamu akan tulis ni dekat dalam buku kamu dan kamu akan senaraikan semua pekerjaan yang kamu tahu. Sebagai contoh, teacher, kamu tahu pekerjaan ni, and doctor. So, ini ialah contoh-contoh pekerjaan. Kamu boleh letak yang kamu punya sendiri, okay? So, you can include any types of jobs that you know, that make sense and that exist. Alright? Even if it's a new thing, you can also include it just to introduce it to everyone, okay? Alright, now, we're already going to the second part of this lesson. Chore. What is chore? Apa itu chore? Number 1 is a routine task, especially a household one, or an ordinary job that must be done regularly. Okay, maksud dia, chore ni ialah kerja atau tugas yang kita buat secara rutin. Ni, rutin Maksud dia rutin ni selalu kita buat. Okay, especially a household one. Ini penting terutamanya yang berkaitan dengan rumah. So, kerja yang kita selalu buat tapi di rumah. Bukan kerja pembinaan rumah, di rumah. Okay, an ordinary job that must be done regularly. So, benda-benda yang kita buat kat rumah, contohnya sapu lantai, cuci tingkap, basuh cadar ke, sarung cushion ke, pasang langsir. It's an ordinary job. It's something that we do as a routine, and it's at our house. Okay, kat rumah kita yang kita selalu buat. Itu maksud chore. Okay, now, this is the page that we are going to refer to today. Kalau kamu tengok, ini ialah muka surat yang kita akan pakai hari ini. Muka surat 62, okay? Unit 6, money. Okay, dalam buku teks kamu boleh tengok di buku teks online kalau tak ada yang fizikal punya, okay? First part kita akan cover ialah yang ini sahaja dulu. Okay, nanti kita akan masuk bahagian lain. But first, let's check out this part. Okay, apa nak kena buat dekat sini? Task number 1, nampak ni? Task number 1, activity 1. Listen and repeat the jobs and chores. Which jobs are the most enjoyable and which are the least enjoyable? So, kamu akan dengar dan ulang pekerjaan-pekerjaan dan juga tugasan-tugasan yang ada di sini. Nampak? This yellow arrow right here. Semua dekat sini ni kamu akan dengar dan sebut sama-sama dengan teacher. And then kamu akan senaraikan yang mana kerja yang paling menyeronokkan. You are going to list out which jobs are the most enjoyable and which are the least enjoyable. Dan yang mana paling kurang menyeronokkan. Nak senaraikan pekerjaan yang mana? Pekerjaan yang ada dalam ini sahaja. Tak perlu tambah yang lain. Okay, so let's read this together, shall we? Wash cars. basuh kereta. Babysit, menjaga bayi ataupun kita mengasuh bayi in bahasa. Pet sit, jaga haiwan peliharaan. For example, pet sit a puppy or pet sit a cat. Okay, contoh kamu jaga kucing, anjing. Okay, fourth one. Okay, deliver newspapers, hantar surat khabar. Okay, kita hantar surat khabar dari rumah ke, or we deliver newspapers from houses to houses, or we deliver them to shops, ataupun kita hantar ke kedai-kedai. Okay, next one, take dogs for walks. Take dogs for walks, maksud dia bawa anjing-anjing untuk berjalan-jalan, bersia-sia. Okay, just take anyone's dogs, you bring them together and go for a walk. Bring them for a walk. Okay, kamu bawa anjing ramai-ramai, banyak-banyak, dan kamu bawa pergi berjalan. Kamu ambil upah lah. You're going to be paid for it. For example, you'll be paid 10 ringgit for 30 minutes. Contohnya kamu bayar 30 minit, kamu dapat bayaran 10 ringgit. Contoh. Okay, next, do the ironing. Maksudnya menggosok pakaian. Okay, menggosok baju. Next, we have clean the windows. Mencuci tingkap. Okay, and then do the washing up. Membasuh. Ni tak kira lah basuh apa, basuh pakaian ke, basuh pinggan mangkuk ke kat dapur. Do the washing up. Next, lay the table. Lay the table. Maksud dia, kita sediakan meja untuk makan. Siapkan tempat makan. Kita letak pinggan, letak sudu, letak cawan or gelas. Okay, we lay the table. It means that we set the table for people to eat. For example, we put the plates at its place, and then we put the spoon and the fork on the right side of the place. Okay, and then next one kita ada tidy your room. Maksudnya mengemas bilik. Tidy your room, mengemas bilik. You have a room and you clean up the entire room. Kamu ada sebuah bilik dan kamu kemas seluruh bilik tu. Next, we have make the beds. Ini maksud dia kamu kemas katil kamu. Make the beds, bangun tidur pagi tu, kamu lipat selimut, kamu tegangkan cadar, betulkan kedudukan bantal. Okay, you fix the bed sheet, and then you fold your blankets, and then you rearranged the pillows back at its original place to make it beautiful. That's what we call make the beds. Okay, and last but not least, we have do the gardening. Kita ada do the gardening. Maksud dia kita berkebun, bersihkan laman, bercucuk tanam, bersihkan pokok. Okay, do the gardening means doing everything that involves plants that is outside of the house, whether it's front yard or backyard. We just take some money for it, or if it's at home, we just do it out of fun. Okay, because we like it. Right now, your task with these words is that you have to list out which jobs are the most enjoyable and which are the least enjoyable. So tadi dah baca kan, dah tahu maksud dia semua. Sekarang kamu nak kena senaraikan yang mana paling menyeronokkan dan yang mana kurang menyeronokkan. Tulis macam ni dalam buku. Okay, activity 1, the most enjoyable and the least enjoyable job. Lepas tu kamu buatlah jadual, table. Kalau nak buat table yang biasa pun boleh. Okay, kita buat macam ni pun boleh. Right, kalau tak nak pakai yang macam teacher buat tu, dalam buku buat macam ni je. Masukkan table, dekat atas ni tulis tajuk dia, the most enjoyable job dengan the least enjoyable job. Lepas tu kat bawah ni masukkan apa-apa saja yang berkaitan. Tapi perkataan yang dekat bawah ni, pekerjaan yang paling kita suka ke tak suka ke, nak ambil dari mana? Ambil dari sini tadi yang kita dah baca. Dalam buku kamu ada. Okay, alright. Next, we are going to move to the third part of the section of the lesson. Complete the adverts. Lengkapkan iklan ini. Okay, advert ialah singkatan daripada advertisement. Okay, An advertisement. Okay. Ni perkataan ni tak formal ya. If you want to use this word in exam, please use the full spelling. It is advertisement. Advertisement. Right? Thank you. Okay, let's check out the content. So for the advert, we are going to look at this section. Alright? Only this section, no other section. Right? Previously we looked at the top part, and for this one we are going to look at the this section, community board. Okay, so what do we do here is we are going to use the words from activity 1 and complete this advertisement. Remember, words from here, activity 1, and you will use it to complete this board. Okay, community notice board. Maksudnya papan kenyataan lah, which can be found anywhere, whether it's at the school or the apartment building or wherever. Okay, kamu akan isi tempat kosong dekat sini, nampak? Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and lastly number 6. Okay, use the words from activity 1. Alright, after you're done with this task, you are going to go ahead and check and tick your own answer. Lepas dah siap jawab ni, kamu akan tanda sama ada jawapan kamu tu betul ke salah. So sekarang ni buat dulu, salin je semua ni. Tak perlu lukis-lukis gambar pun, tulis je. Okay, nak buat bulat-bulat macam ni pun boleh. Okay, nak buat kotak-kotak pun boleh. Tapi tengok nombor tu betul-betul. Alright, now listen and check your answers for activity 2. This is your second activity. Okay, ini activity 2 kamu. So, kamu akan dengar jawapan dia sekarang. Right? Community notice board. Too busy to cut the grass and water the flowers? No problem. I can do the gardening for you. Call Alex on 2678 933300. Okay, so that's just an example of what you are going to listen to. Itu hanyalah contoh je apa yang kamu akan dengar. Teacher akan includekan dia punya jawapan audio tu untuk kamu check di description box, so you can check on it in the description box. Just click on it and it will bring you to the audio. Okay, now number 4, express yourself. So whenever you see the title express yourself, it means that we are going to do something that's related to you. Bila nampak je tajuk express yourself ni, kita akan tanya pasal diri kamu sendiri. Okay, tengok sini. Dekat dalam buku kamu, kita akan tengok bahagian ini. Express yourself. Okay, if you can't see it clearly, then I'll just point it out to you even clearer. Alright, that's that. So let's go ahead and check it out. Think about the chores you do at home. Complete the sentences. Dia nak suruh kamu fikirkan semua kerja-kerja yang kamu buat dekat rumah. Kemudian lengkapkan ayat-ayat kat bawah ni. Okay, nampak ayat kat bawah ni? Okay, ni contoh dia. I always lay the table. Saya selalu siapkan meja. Maknanya every day your family is going to have dinner and you're the one who's going to lay the table, set everything up for your family. Maknanya setiap hari kan keluarga kamu akan makan malam. So kamulah yang akan jadi orang yang siapkan meja tu untuk semua orang. Okay? So macam mana nak tulis dalam buku? Macam ni. Okay? Activity 3, express yourself. Think about the chores you do at home. Complete the sentences. Ini example, I always lay the table. So, kalau dekat sini kamu nak cakap, kamu selalu sapu sampah. I always sweep the floor. Ataupun kamu biasanya siram pokok. Nak tambah waktu pun boleh. Tapi kita tak payah dulu lah. Okay, you can also add the time if you want, but let's not do that first. I usually water the plants. You can do that too. So, apa-apa sahaja aktiviti. Tak tahu kerja, tak tahu perkataan, boleh pakai kamus ataupun Google Translate, any source that you want to use. It is possible and allow that. Okay? And that is it for your lesson. Thank you so much for joining. Jangan lupa hantar kerja kamu dekat teacher di WhatsApp ataupun Telegram, okay? Dah siap ambil gambar dan hantar dekat Telegram atau WhatsApp. If you're done with your tasks, please submit it to me, take a picture of it and then send it to me via WhatsApp or Telegram. You can also ask questions to me through these mediums if you have any. Kamu pun boleh tanya juga soalan. Kalau ada yang tak faham, tak reti nak buat, please go ahead and ask me. I'll try my best to explain it to you. Thank you for joining. Bye bye.